The reliability of a new model of smart television can be described by the exponential function r equals 1 6/10 raised to a power of -1/3 times t, where the reliability r is the probability as a decimal that the television is still working t years after it is manufactured. Now we're going to round our answers to the nearest hundredth, and we're going to write our answers in percents. But remember, t is time in years, and r, that is the probability, but as a decimal, and we want to write our answer in percents. So let's try the following. What is the probability that the smart television will still work half a year after it is manufactured? Half a year after it is manufactured. Well, I wrote down the reliability function. Here it is. So remember t, that stands for years. So I've got half a year. So I want to know what's the reliability, 1.6, basically just using this exponential function, -1/3. And what do I replace t with? Half a year, so 1/2. So r equals 1 6/10 raised to the negative. It just depends on how much you want to do before you use your calculator. It's the -1/6 power. Remember, we will round our answers to the nearest hundredth, then I'll convert to a percent. So using your calculator and rounding to the nearest hundredth, you should have 0 decimal point, and then I've got 9246, so 92 to the nearest hundredth. Then writing this as a percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and I have 92%. So what's our probability that it will work a half year after manufactured? The probability is 92%.